Is it possible to make money as a TikTok shop affiliate using AI generated content? Well, as it just so happens, the example that you can see on the screen is a case study that I did 2 days ago of a creator who made 8,344 in under 7 days using AI generated content. In response to the comment that you can see on the screen right now, thank you for that, by the way. This is a 0 to 5K per week AI TikTok shop affiliate step-by-step guide. If you've got a notepad or whatever it is that you take notes, you might want to bring that out now, and do watch all the way up until the end as well, so you can grasp the concepts of how to go about doing this. I'm close, but not too close, and let's get started. My name is Victor, and welcome to Creator-Bug, where we help you create content, ditch your 9 to 5, and live the life that you want. One weird question from me: I am a coffee man. Do you prefer coffee or do you prefer tea? Comment down below so I can check how many people are similar to me. Step 1 is to sign up for a TikTok shop account if you don't already have one. Now, in order to become a TikTok shop affiliate, you either already meet the requirements on your existing account, or you have to build up your account from scratch. For example, in the UK, you need to have at least 1,000 followers. You need to have posted in the last 28 days, and you need to be over the age of 18. In the US, you need to have 5,000 followers, again over 18, and you need to have posted over the last 28 days. In order to apply, once you meet those requirements, you just go to Creator Tools, and then you go into TikTok Shop for Creator, and all the information you need to apply from there will be there. You either can get started applying, or if you don't meet the requirements yet, TikTok will let you know on there. Now, the second option, if you want to start promoting products as a TikTok shop affiliate without meeting those minimum requirements, the workaround is you can sign up using the same process and the same steps that I've just told you, but as a TikTok shop seller. You go to Creator Tools and select the TikTok shop for seller option. Now, the good thing about this is you don't need to have a minimum follower requirement to sign up as a TikTok shop seller. Yes, there are people that are signing up genuinely to sell products as shops, but you can also use this workaround to promote products as affiliate, because TikTok gives you all the affiliate tools and options as well once you sign up using this. I've personally done it. There's content creators that are succeeding having done this as well on a number of videos that I've done in the past. Now, once you've done that, assuming that this is a new account, what you then want to do is warm up your account for the first 24 to 48 hours or so. All that means is you are building up your For You page, you are commenting on other creators' videos, you are liking, you're sharing, you're saving videos, and also you're making sure that your For You page shows you stuff that you want to see. For example, if I was starting as a TikTok shop affiliate, I'd want to see what products are trending from other creators' videos showing up on my For You page, rather than some random nonsense. You just want to build up your For You page, because you're telling TikTok, this is what I like, this is what I want to see, by liking and commenting on those videos and doing not interested in videos that you don't want to see. And most importantly, this tells TikTok that you are a human being. You're not just a robot that's starting and posting content straight away. So that builds a little bit more of that trust level between you and TikTok as a platform, because TikTok is still learning about you as well within those first 24 to 48 hours. Again, assuming that you started a new account from scratch. Now that you've signed up, the next step that I would do, which is step 2, is sign up for a website like Kalo Data. I've covered it extensively on this channel, and I've linked it in the description to make things easier for you. What Kalo Data allows you to do is you can explore who the current TikTok shop creators are. You can see what products are selling the most. You can also see how much money those TikTok shop creators are generating over a 7-day period and over a 30-day period, even yesterday. So you see products that are trending and being sold right now. And what I would do then is pick an account that I'm going to model from Kalo Data, because yes, it does show you the creators' usernames. So you can actually go into TikTok and see what those profiles are and follow those profiles. I will then look at what the closest creator is and list a bunch of creators that I think align to what I'm trying to achieve, creators that are doing what I'm doing, making the money that I'm trying to make. 5, 10, even 20 creators. How many are you willing to note down? I would note those down. I would note down the top products that are being sold, the top shops, and just keep a record of who these are. You're going to need this for a little bit later on in the video. What I would then do, once I've noted everything down, I kept a record on a Google Sheets or a notepad, I would then move on to step number 3, which is checking out the TikTok Creative Center. Now, if you don't have access to Kalo data, or if you do have Kalo data but it doesn't show data for your country. For example, I'm in the UK, it doesn't show any data for my country, but it does still show some pretty interesting data for other countries as well, which I like to look at and talk about. You can also use a website called TikTok Creative Center. It's completely free, it's provided by TikTok, and the purpose of the Creative Center is to inspire businesses to advertise on TikTok by showing them what products are trending, what hashtags are trending, what top songs are trending, what creators are performing best, hashtags, etc. All of that information in one place. It's even got a video editor and video generator that you can use as well for the purpose of advertising on TikTok. But we're taking advantage of this as TikTok Shop affiliates to see what's working on TikTok right now, what hashtags are trending, what songs are trending, what products are trending from what's being sold as well. But just by having a TikTok account, you should have also a TikTok Creative Center login that you can use. If not, it should be a pretty simple sign up. This is again a window that you can use to see what's working on TikTok, and that will then inform your strategy in terms of what products you're going to be selling, your niche, all that sort of stuff as well. Another useful tool, this time completely free, that you can use, I'll link it in the description. Again, it's called the TikTok Creative Center. You've now got Kalo data, but you've also got the TikTok Creative Center as well. Now that you've done that, what you want to go onto is step number 4, which is using ChatGPT to help you come up with a brand name, logo, image, etc. So remember, you've done your research, you've noted down who you want to model. You now have got some idea of what niche you want to be in, because the creators that you want to model and the products that you've seen are already selling well are in a particular niche. They could be in health, they could be in beauty, whatever niche that is the niche that you've now decided that you want to go into. Some people might not want to go into a niche that's popular. They might want to go into a niche that's not as popular, but they're more comfortable talking about as well. So this is where you kind of use your common sense and decide what's best for you. But either way, you've decided what niche you're in. You go into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to come up with some potential names that you can use for your account. Now, I know that you've signed up already, but don't worry, you can update and change your name on TikTok even if you've signed up already, because this time you've already done your research. ChatGPT gives you the brand names that you can potentially use. You pick from those brand names. You then move on to ChatGPT giving you a prompt that you can use in order to generate a logo for your account. You can then take that prompt onto a tool like Midjourney, or you can use CapCut and come up with a logo from there. We can also use Canva as well, which is one of my favorite tools, to see if any of those logos align with the logo that you're looking for. There is other tools as well that you can explore in terms of building up that brand, but at the most basic level, you've got an account name and you've also got a brand logo. Now, what I would do at this point, once you've come up with a brand name, you've now got a logo, what I would also consider, and again, I will link these tools that I've talked about in the description, and move on to step 5. By now you have a list of products. You just need to decide on whether you want to buy the product that you've identified or not. You've looked on Kalo data, you've looked on TikTok Creative Center, you've got an idea of what products you want to start promoting on your account. Do you need to have the products in hand, or can you promote them without having them in hand? This is what your research that you did earlier has let you know now, because you've watched the videos of creators that are doing well. Are they showing the products in their videos? Even if it is AI videos, can you see a hand somewhere on the video showing an actual product? Are they using other people's videos? Are they using their own hands and their own product in hand? Are they just using green screen? You can either buy the product and have it in hand to create that video, or you can do videos where you don't actually have the product in hand, which people are doing, by the way, by utilizing green screen and so forth. If you decide that you want to buy the product and have it in hand, what a lot of people do is go onto Amazon and do next day delivery. You buy exactly the same product that you are going to be promoting, because TikTok is going to know if it's a completely different product, different brand. It doesn't even look the same. It needs to be exactly the same product that you are going to be promoting as well. You can go into your local supermarket and see if they've got that product there. You can look around your house. You might have already got that product. So it depends. Your mom's house, wherever it is, someone you know might already have that product. But for the most part, purchasing it tends to just work, and having it delivered to you, especially if it's a product that you were going to use anyway. So it's kind of a double win, really, 2 birds, 1 stone kind of situation. Step 6 is quite simply creating videos. You've done your research, you've got the product in hand, you know what product to promote, you know what people are saying in videos, what hashtags they're using, you know how they're structuring the whole thing by studying success using websites like Kalo Data. Now, I have a whole playlist on how to create AI generated videos on TikTok, videos that are earning tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars currently within the creativity program beta and other TikTok monetization tools. I'm not going to go into exhaustive details here on the step-by-step of creating an AI generated faceless video. I would urge you to go and check one of those videos out. But essentially, you just want to mirror accounts that are doing well. I will link various AI tools that you can use as well to put together a pretty decent, coherent AI generated video. But we're talking the likes of InVideo.ai, where you can create an entire AI video using just one prompt. We're talking about tools like CapCut, where you can edit an AI video once you've gathered the resources that you need. We're talking about tools like 11 Labs, where you can use voices like Adam for your AI scripts, which is one of the most popular AI voices that are used out there. We're talking about tools like Canva. We're talking about tools, various different tools that you can use to bring everything together. ChatGPT to write up that script for you, or you can simply type down the script and write it down yourself. There are tons and tons of options. From there, once you've done that, once you've put together a video that you're happy with because you've copied creators that are currently successful, step 7 is to simply rinse and repeat. You just keep doing what you're doing until it actually works. You keep going back into your data, your analytics, learning what videos are doing better than most, adjusting, being flexible until you get to a point where you actually start to see some results. Again, very importantly, this video is a guide, not gospel. This will only take you so far. What you do from here is down to you. It's down to your ingenuity. It's down to your creativity as a creator, and it's down to you being flexible and going with the process. At this point, this is where the people that say they're serious and the people that are actually serious about this get separated, because talking about it is one thing, but actually taking the steps, being able to fail, learn, start again, keep moving until you get to a point where you are actually one of those creator examples, and just learning and becoming more and more of an expert. This is the type of person that this community really is for. You can lead a horse to the river to drink, you can't force it to drink. What you do from here is entirely up to you, but I hope that guide is helpful for you. Lots of resources that will be linked in the description, so feel free to go and check those out.